Hi friends! My name is Miss Gabby. Let's learn how to make the letter E in sign language. Are you ready? Here we go. This is how you make an E, make an E, make an E. This is how you make an E in sign language. Good job, friends. Now, let's take a look inside of our mystery box to see what's hiding today. I wonder what it is. I found something. An egg.
Eggs.
The earth. And finally, we have a whoa! An electric eel. Egg, earth, and eel all start with the letter E. Now, let's watch a quick video about eels. Eels are a snake-like fish with a slender, elongated body and underdeveloped fins. Eels have smooth, slippery skin and can live in both fresh and marine waters. An electric eel is a freshwater fish of South America that uses pulses of electricity to catch their prey, to help them navigate in the water, and for defending themselves. Eel